you guys think? Pretty sweet. Took us a day and a half to dig this, level it, and install pavers. Got that little piece here to do tomorrow, walkway. Always keeping the streets clean, respect the neighbors, the client. The client is extremely happy. I mean, check out these cuts, guys. Look at that. What do you think? Not perfect enough for you guys? Beautiful. Nice little area here, little gazebo. Another satisfied customer. These steps are beautiful, 60-inch wide. Just finished pressure wash. Beautiful. Very nice. Gate is up. Beautiful gate, beautiful pavers. Get into this beautiful backyard. Putting the gate back up. For river stone along the edge here. Nice river stone. Got these steps in yesterday. And this is it, guys. Grass is all done. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Walls are looking great. What do you guys think?